Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Roofstock for buying turnkey rentals online. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Roofstock for buying turnkey rentals online, first, visit the Roofstock website. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner of the home page. Fill out the registration form with your email and desired password. Ensure you use a valid email address before clicking on Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification link from Roofstock. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once confirmed, log into your Roofstock account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Investor Portfolio section. Click on Get Started to begin the property buying process. Take time to fill out your investor profile accurately. Include details such as your investment experience and property preferences. Once your profile is complete, explore the marketplace for available turnkey properties. Use filters to narrow your search based on your budget, location, and property type. Select a property that interests you for more details. Review the property listing for key information like rental income, expenses, and neighborhood data. If you decide the property fits your needs, click Make Offer. Fill out the offer form and confirm your proposed purchase price. Review the terms of the offer carefully before submission. Once ready, submit your offer and await a response from the seller. If your offer is accepted, follow the instructions to proceed with the purchase. This may include submitting additional documentation and completing financial arrangements. Keep communication open with Roofstock's support team throughout the process. After completing all necessary steps, you will be on your way to owning a turnkey rental property. Stay informed about your new investment and consider future opportunities within the Roofstock platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.